Welcome to section 6, Errors and Logging. In this section, we're going to learn creating custom error types, try catch equivalent in Go, and doing a simple login in your app, and finally, gracefully dealing with panics. Let's start with creating your custom error type. If you're coming from languages such as C#, Java, or others, you may find error mechanism a little different in Go. And the way you create your own custom error is a very simple one, because Go is a duck-typed language. That means as long as your struct satisfies an interface, then you're good to go. Let's go ahead and create our own custom error using a new type. So I will have two fields. One is, and the other one is. You can have as many fields as you want to capture more information about your errors. So what I'm gonna do is to now satisfy the error interface. And to do that, I'm going to implement a new method on my error. And it returns a string value back so that we can output this error to either our console or some log file or somewhere else. So here what I'm gonna do is to return the error message. Alright, so the way you use this is very simple. You just can return this error type from your method. And let's imagine that we have do something, method like that, and that returns an error. And here what I'm doing is, imagine we did something here and it returns an error for some reason. So the short message is, of course, you probably will need to use more meaningful messages here. And don't forget to use this operator. It will get the address of your myError object. So since we are working with a pointer here, if you don't do this, you see there's a type error. And one way to fix is this one. You just remove that pointer there and it will fix it. But you probably don't want to have multiple copies of the same object, so instead of doing that, you can easily do this to send a reference back so that you have a better memory management here. So let's run this. And of course, it will return some error here, so I'm just gonna log it here. And let's run this to the console. And now we see our message, our error message, written to the console. And that's how you can simply create your own error message types.